For yourself as a driver following the 10 commandments of driving. Number 1. I will not drive when drunk nor drowsy nor fatigued. 2. I will not pass without care curves nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. I will not violate speed law nor exceed speed limits. Number 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Number 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Number 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. Number 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and pedestrian. Second, self-traveler 10 commandments of the road safety from traveler. Number 1. Thou shalt not gaze at the phone. 2. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Number 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4. Thou shalt not take any chances. 5. Thou shalt buckle up kids. 6. Thou shalt not drive on the bright. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty light. Number 8. Thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. Number 10. Those shall keep the distance. Number 10. Those shall practice patience. Self-clearance 10 commandments of traffic. Number 1. Keep right. Number 2. Observe road courtesy. Number 3. Prohibited parking. Number 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5. The bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6. Rules to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7. Observe traffic management measures. Number 8. The philosophy of Pinoy drivers, first come, first serve vehicle. Number 9. On pedestrian. Number 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders.